Did you know that automation channels on YouTube have surged by over 200% in the past year? The right editing tools can be a game changer for your channel's success. In today's video, we're diving into essential video editing tips for beginners, exploring both free and paid tools, and weighing the pros and cons of outsourcing versus DIY editing. Let's transform your content with top-notch editing strategies. All right, let's get into it. If you're running an automation channel on YouTube, you've probably run into some common challenges when it comes to video production. The first major hurdle? Time constraints. Automation channels thrive on consistency and regular uploads, but managing this while maintaining high-quality content can be a juggling act. Editing videos can be incredibly time-consuming. From cutting out the fluff to adding in engaging visuals and smooth transitions, the process can quickly eat up your schedule. And let's be honest, time is a precious resource when you're trying to scale your channel and keep up with your content calendar. But that's not all. There's also the need for high-quality output. In a crowded digital space, your videos need to stand out. They should be visually appealing, well-edited, and professional. Poor editing can negatively impact viewer retention and make it harder to grow your audience. High production values can make a huge difference in how your content is perceived and how it performs in search results. Another challenge is finding the right tools. With so many video editing tools available, from free options to premium software, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. Plus, if you're not familiar with editing software, there's a learning curve that can add to your time constraints. And then there's the decision of whether to handle editing in-house or outsource it. Outsourcing can save you time, but might stretch your budget. On the other hand, DIY editing gives you full control, but can be time-consuming and might require a learning investment. So, how do you navigate these challenges? In this video, we're going to explore practical solutions to these problems. We'll look at editing tools that can streamline your workflow, whether you're working with a tight schedule or aiming for top-notch quality. We'll also weigh the pros and cons of outsourcing your editing versus doing it yourself, so you can make an informed decision that fits your channel's needs. Stick around as we break down these challenges and provide you with actionable tips to make video editing a more manageable and effective part of your content creation strategy. All right, before we continue, I've left a pinned comment down below as a place for everyone to connect and grow together. If you're looking to build your YouTube channel, here's a powerful tip. Head to the pinned comment, introduce yourself, and let others know what your channel is about. Then, take a few moments to support someone else in the comments by subscribing. Think of it as a win-win, a simple way to build your audience while helping others grow too. So go ahead, drop your comment, make some connections, and let's build up this community together. Now, back to the video. All right, let's dive into the exciting part, exploring some of the best editing tools available for automation channels. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options or high-end software, there's something out there to meet your needs. We'll look at features that can streamline your editing process, like batch processing and easy integration, which are crucial for keeping your workflow efficient. First up, let's talk about free tools. Number 1, DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve is a powerhouse in the world of video editing, and it's completely free. It offers a range of professional-grade features like multi-track editing, advanced color correction, and audio post-production tools. For automation channels, its batch processing capabilities are a huge plus. You can apply edits, transitions, and effects across multiple clips simultaneously, which can save you a ton of time. Number 2, HitFilm Express. HitFilm Express is another solid free option with a great range of features, including video editing and visual effects. Its user-friendly interface is ideal for beginners, and it supports batch processing for effects and transitions. Plus, it integrates well with other tools and platforms, which can be a big help if you're working with various media sources. And number 3, OpenShot. OpenShot is known for its simplicity and ease of use. It's perfect if you're just starting out and need a straightforward tool. While it might not have the advanced features of DaVinci Resolve or HitFilm Express, it supports batch processing for rendering and exporting, making it easier to handle multiple projects at once. Now, let's look at some paid tools. First, Adobe Premiere Pro. Adobe Premiere Pro is a go-to for many professional video editors. It offers a comprehensive set of features, including advanced editing tools, motion graphics, and color grading. One of its standout features for automation channels is its ability to create and apply presets for effects, transitions, and titles, which can drastically speed up your editing process. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with other Adobe Creative Cloud apps, giving you a full suite of tools for video production. Second, Final Cut Pro for Mac users. Final Cut Pro is an excellent choice. It's known for its powerful editing capabilities and smooth performance. Its magnetic timeline feature is especially useful for organizing and editing multiple clips. Final Cut Pro also supports batch processing for exporting and rendering, which can save you a lot of time. Its intuitive interface and integration with other Apple tools make it a great option for creators who want a streamlined workflow. And third, Filmora. Filmora is a user-friendly video editor that offers a good balance of features and ease of use. It's particularly suited for beginners who want to create professional-looking videos without a steep learning curve. Filmora's batch processing features allow you to apply effects and transitions to multiple clips at once. It also provides easy integration with various media formats, making it a versatile tool for automation channels. Let's not forget about outsourcing. If you're considering outsourcing your video editing, there are platforms like Fiverr and Upwork where you can find talented editors. When choosing an editor, look for someone experienced with automation channels who understands your needs and can handle bulk editing efficiently. Make sure to communicate your requirements clearly and check their portfolio to ensure they align with your vision. So, what's the best choice for you? It depends on your needs, budget, and workflow. Free tools are great for beginners or those on a tight budget, while paid tools offer advanced features and more efficiency. Batch processing and easy integration are crucial for automation channels, so look for tools that support these features. Alright, today we've explored some of the top video editing tools for automation channels and why choosing the right one is crucial for your success. Here's a quick recap of what we covered. Adobe Premiere Pro offers advanced features and seamless integration with Adobe Creative Cloud, making it ideal for professional-level editing and consistency across your videos. Final Cut Pro stands out for its smooth performance and intuitive magnetic timeline, perfect for Mac users who want a streamlined editing experience with batch processing capabilities. DaVinci Resolve provides a powerful set of tools for free, including advanced color correction and batch processing, making it a top choice for those looking to elevate their video quality without breaking the bank. Choosing the right tool can make all the difference in how efficiently you produce content and how professionally your videos look. By leveraging these tools, you can save time, enhance your video quality, and keep your automation channel running smoothly. But don't go just yet. Our next video in this series is going to be a game changer for your channel's visual appeal. In video 7, we're diving into creating click-worthy thumbnails. You'll learn how to design eye-catching thumbnails that grab attention and drive more clicks to your videos. Trust me, you won't want to miss these tips for turning viewers into subscribers. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.